Hello there, you've just clicked into EYEPIQ, your guide to the fascinating world around you. At EYEPIQ, we're passionate about quenching your curiosity, presenting you with educational and intriguing content across a broad spectrum of topics. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the depths of the oceans, we're here to shed light on the wonders that surround us every day. So buckle up for a journey of discovery and enlightenment. Today, we are going to dive deep into the glittering world of gold mining. Gold, a symbol of wealth and power, has captivated humanity for millennia. This radiant metal has etched its place in history, from the tombs of ancient pharaohs to the vaults of modern banks. Its allure lies not just in its lustrous beauty, but also in its rarity and enduring value. Throughout history, gold has served as a universal currency, a symbol of status, and a conduit of cultural expression. Even today, it continues to dazzle us, finding its way into our lives in countless ways. It's not just about ornate jewelry or glistening gold coins. Gold also plays a critical role in our everyday technologies. It's in our smartphones, computers, and even our medical devices, thanks to its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion. But have you ever wondered where this precious metal comes from? How it goes from being a nugget in the earth to a ring on your finger? Now, let's turn our attention to how this precious metal is extracted from the earth. Mining for gold is no easy task, and it wasn't always as advanced as it is today. Long before the advent of modern machinery and complex extraction methods, the quest for gold was an endeavor fueled by patience, hard work, and a good deal of luck. The traditional methods of gold mining were simple yet effective, and they've shaped the way we approach the extraction of this precious metal today. One of the most iconic methods of traditional gold mining is gold panning. Picture a prospector knee-deep in a river, swirling a pan filled with sediment and water. The idea behind this technique is straightforward. Gold, being heavier than most materials, sinks to the bottom. By gently shaking the pan, the lighter materials are washed away, leaving behind the valuable gold nuggets. While gold panning was a common method for individual prospectors, those looking to extract larger quantities of gold often turned to underground mining. This method involved digging deep into the earth, following veins of gold. Miners would chisel away at the rock, painstakingly extracting the gold bit by bit. It was a laborious and dangerous task, fraught with risks such as cave-ins and gas leaks. Yet, the allure of gold was strong enough to entice many to brave these hardships. Another traditional method was placer mining, which was used when gold was found in loose sediment in rivers or streams. Miners would redirect the flow of water to expose the riverbed, then sift through the sediment to find gold. This method was more efficient than panning, but it was also more destructive to the environment, disrupting ecosystems and causing erosion. These traditional methods laid the foundation for the gold mining practices we know today. They taught us the basic principles of gold extraction and helped us understand where to find this precious metal. Yet they were also labor-intensive, environmentally disruptive, and often yielded only small quantities of gold. But as technology evolved, so did gold mining techniques. The methods we use today are far more efficient and less harmful to the environment, but they owe their existence to the traditional methods that preceded them. It's a testament to our continuous quest for progress and our enduring fascination with this gleaming metal. Today, gold mining is a high-tech, highly efficient process. Modern gold mining is a far cry from the images of the old prospectors panning for gold in the rivers of the Wild West. Today's gold mining is a sophisticated and scientific operation, leveraging the latest technology and engineering techniques. It's a world of drones, big data, and complex machinery, all working together to extract this precious metal from the earth. In modern gold mining, technology is the star of the show. Advanced geospatial techniques, including remote sensing and geographic information systems, are used to identify potential gold deposits. Sophisticated software models the Earth's crust, pinpointing the exact location of gold veins. This precision reduces the need for exploratory drilling, making the process more efficient and less environmentally destructive. Once a promising site is identified, drones are often deployed for further inspection. These unmanned aerial vehicles provide a bird's-eye view of the terrain, helping miners plan their operations with incredible accuracy. The use of drones not only improves efficiency, but also enhances safety, reducing the risk to human lives. But the technology doesn't stop at the surface. Underground, massive machines chew through rock, guided by GPS technology to ensure they stay on course. These machines can operate around the clock, increasing productivity and reducing the time it takes to reach the gold. Even the process of extracting the gold from the ore has been revolutionized. Techniques like cyanide leaching, which we will explore in a later scene, are far more efficient than the methods used by the prospectors of the past. These methods also reduce the environmental impact by minimizing waste and preventing harmful substances from leaching into the soil and water. Meanwhile, big data and artificial intelligence are being used to predict where new gold deposits might be found. This predictive analysis could revolutionize the industry, making gold mining even more efficient and sustainable in the future. Modern gold mining is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. It's a world where science and industry meet, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the quest for gold. Let's delve into these modern techniques a bit further. One of the most common methods of modern gold mining is open-pit mining. Open-pit mining is like peeling an onion. Layer by layer, miners strip away the earth, revealing the glittering prize beneath. But this isn't just about digging a big hole. It's a carefully orchestrated process that begins with extensive geological surveys. These surveys help miners understand where the gold is and how to get to it. Once a potential site is identified, miners remove the layer of soil and rock, known as the overburden, to reveal the gold-bearing ore underneath. This ore is then extracted, processed, and refined to extract the precious gold. The process is efficient, allowing miners to extract large quantities of gold in a relatively short amount of time. But as with all things, open-pit mining comes with its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's cost-effective. It allows for the extraction of large volumes of ore at a low cost, which means more gold for less money. And because it's done on the surface, it's generally safer than underground mining. However, it's not all glitter and gold. Open-pit mining can have a significant environmental impact. The process can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and habitat destruction. And once the gold is gone, the pit often remains, leaving a lasting scar on the landscape. Despite these drawbacks, open-pit mining remains a crucial part of the gold industry. It's an effective way to extract large quantities of gold, and advancements in technology are continually reducing its environmental impact. So, whether it's the allure of striking it rich or the science behind the extraction process, open-pit mining holds a certain fascination. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our quest for knowledge, and our insatiable desire for the precious metal that has captivated us for centuries. Another prevalent technique is underground mining. Underground mining, as the name suggests, involves digging deep into the earth. This method is used when the gold deposits are far beneath the surface. It's a complex, often labor-intensive process that demands a high level of expertise and sophisticated machinery. Let's delve into the process of underground mining. It starts with the drilling of shafts into the ground to reach the gold-bearing rocks. These shafts, or tunnels, can be as deep as 2 miles below the Earth's surface. Once the shafts are drilled, miners use explosives to blast the gold-bearing rocks. The blasted rocks, now rubble, are then transported to the surface for processing. One of the main benefits of underground mining is that it allows for the extraction of high-quality gold from deep within the earth. This method is particularly effective in extracting gold from veins of ore that extend deep into the earth. Moreover, it's possible to mine in areas where open-pit mining is not feasible due to environmental or geographical restrictions. However, underground mining is not without its drawbacks. The process is more expensive and time-consuming than other methods. It requires a substantial investment in infrastructure and equipment. Plus, the working conditions can be hazardous, as miners work in confined spaces deep beneath the Earth's surface. The risk of cave-ins, fires, and exposure to harmful gases are ever-present threats in this line of work. Furthermore, the environmental impact of underground mining is significant. Disruptions to the land and groundwater contamination are major concerns. The process also produces a substantial amount of waste rock that needs to be managed responsibly. Despite these challenges, the demand for gold and the advancements in mining technology have made underground mining a viable and necessary method in today's gold industry. After all, gold is a precious metal that has maintained its value and allure throughout history. It's a symbol of wealth and prosperity, and it continues to be sought after for its use in jewelry, electronics, and even space technology. But these methods are just the beginning. A more recent technique, cyanide leaching, has revolutionized the gold mining industry. This process, born in the late 19th century, has become a key player in modern gold mining. But what is cyanide leaching? Well, it's a method that uses a water-based solution of sodium cyanide to extract gold from its ore. Here's how it works. The gold ore is crushed and ground into a fine powder. This powder is then mixed with the cyanide solution. The gold in the ore reacts with the cyanide to form a soluble compound, a process we refer to as leaching. This compound is then separated from the rest of the mixture, allowing the gold to be extracted. The beauty of cyanide leaching is its efficiency. It can extract more than 90% of the gold from the ore. Compare this to traditional methods, which may only be able to extract about 70%. That's a significant increase, wouldn't you agree? But, as you may have guessed, there's a flip side to this coin. The use of cyanide, a highly toxic substance, has raised environmental concerns. If not managed properly, cyanide can contaminate water sources, harm wildlife, and even pose risks to human health. It's a delicate balance, maximizing gold extraction while minimizing environmental harm. Despite these concerns, cyanide leaching remains a widely used method in the gold mining industry. Why? Because it's efficient, cost-effective, and, when done responsibly, can be managed in an environmentally sound way. Mining companies are continually working to improve their practices, using technology to monitor and control cyanide levels, and implementing strategies to prevent any accidental release into the environment. So, while cyanide leaching may seem controversial, it's a testament to the gold mining industry's continuous evolution. It's a clear example of how modern techniques can enhance efficiency while still striving to respect and protect our environment. And finally, let's explore gold mining's future. The future of gold mining holds even more exciting innovations. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the industry is evolving at an unprecedented pace, with technology playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of gold mining. Imagine a world where we no longer have to risk human lives to extract gold from the earth. A world where machines powered by artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's the emerging reality of gold mining. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize gold mining. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI can predict where gold deposits might be found with astonishing accuracy. This reduces the time and resources spent on exploration and increases the chances of striking gold. AI can also optimize the mining process, making it more efficient, less destructive to the environment, and safer for miners. But AI isn't the only game changer. Drones are also making their mark on the mining landscape. These flying machines are now being used to map potential mining sites, monitor mining operations, and even deliver supplies to remote areas. Not only does this make mining more efficient, but it also reduces the risk to human workers. The use of drones and AI in mining is just the beginning. With advancements in technology, we could see innovations like autonomous vehicles and robotic miners becoming commonplace in the not-so-distant future. These technologies could potentially eliminate the need for human miners altogether, making the industry safer and more sustainable. But perhaps the most exciting development lies in the realm of space mining. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists are exploring the possibility of mining asteroids for precious metals like gold. While this might seem like a far-fetched idea, it's not entirely out of the question. After all, the first steps towards space mining have already been taken. So as we look to the future, we see a world where gold mining is safer, more efficient, and less harmful to the environment. A world where technology, not human sweat and blood, paves the way for the extraction of this precious metal. Indeed, the gold rush is far from over. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of modern gold mining. We've journeyed from the allure of gold, its captivating glint that has mesmerized humanity for millennia, through the gritty roots of traditional gold mining techniques, and into the heart of today's cutting-edge extraction methods. We've seen how the industry has evolved, transitioning from labor-intensive manual processes to the mechanized marvels of open-pit and underground mining. We've delved into the controversial yet efficient technique of cyanide leaching and how it's revolutionized the way we extract gold from ore. But our exploration doesn't stop at the present. We've also peered into the future, where new technologies and methods continue to be developed to make gold mining more efficient, sustainable, and safe. Because despite the progress we've made, there's always room for innovation. And why does this all matter? Because gold isn't just a shiny metal. It's a vital component in electronics, a safeguard in economic uncertainty, a symbol of wealth, and a link to our past. As long as we value gold, we'll need ways to extract it, mindfully and responsibly. If you enjoyed this golden journey, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to EYEPIQ for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring.